rainbows warm and light. Rainbow umbrellas spin around together. Red and blue, yellow too, dancing just for you. Rainbow umbrella, happy every day. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, laugh and sing, hooray! Red bird sings up in the tree. Blue fish swims so happily. Yellow sun smiles from the sky. Green leaves wave as we pass by. Rainbow umbrellas spin around together. Red and blue, yellow too, dancing just for you. Rainbow umbrella, happy every day. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, laugh and sing, hooray! Purple flowers smell so sweet. Orange pumpkins, what a treat. Pink balloons float way up high. White clouds smile as they drift by. Rainbow umbrella, shine in any weather. Round and round, up and down, fun for everyone. Rainbow umbrella, friends forevermore. Jump and twirl, boys and girls, let's play more and more. Raindrops sparkle, 1, 2, 3. Rainbow magic, come and see. Hold my hand and sing along. Every heart can join the song. Rainbow umbrella, bright as can be. You and me, one big family. Rainbow umbrella, hip hip hooray. Love and laughter every day. Rainbow dreams will lead the way.
Wow, these smell so good! Look at these smiling pumpkins!